Okay, now first things first. Cabin crew recruitment drives are happening all around the world. In India, बहुत सारे recruitment drives हो रहे हैं. A lot of options are coming up. You've got so many airlines hiring, and of course, there are virtual interviews happening, and you have to prep a lot. Now, a lot of people have this question that is it worth because it's a lot of hard work, and yes, it is. Please understand, as I say, you are the brand face and you need to carry yourself a certain way. You get recognized, I mean, the airline gets recognized when people see you. So ये होता है कि आपको ना बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है कि you'll have to work on yourself and there is no shortcut. अब अगर आपको सिर्फ हिंदी आती है या कोई और लैंग्वेज आती है and you're not well versed with English, is it okay? I would say take time out, पहले English पे work करो कि go ahead and work on your English. क्यों ज़रूरी है? क्योंकि most of the communication happen in English. It's a global language and it has become a necessity. It's a very commonly spoken language. तो हर जगह पे जब ज़रूरत है ही तो why not work on that? You'll have to be very fluent with English and you'll have to really put your hard work if you're not good at it. Start with your grammar, go to the basics. Please do not end up failing the interviews again and again because of lack of preparation. Maximum people, they're good with confidence or maybe they are good in presentation and all of those things, but वो हमेशा मैंने देखा है कि जब एक कम्युनिकेशन की बात आती है तो वो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा ड्रॉबैक हो जाता है एंड यू फील लाइक नहीं मैं सारी चीज़ें ठीक कर रही थी या कर रहा था, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. you'll have to be exceptionally well with your communication. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि go ahead and have an Oxford level of communication and that kind of English. You don't need a Shashi Tharoor English, but you do need a conversational English. Conversational English का मतलब मैं present में बात कर रही हूँ, past tense use कर रही हूँ, future की बात कर रही हूँ, present use कर रही हूँ, नहीं चलेगा. Why? Because you are supposed to communicate and coordinate with a lot of teams, with passengers, customers, guests, whatever you call it. You have to coordinate and communicate a lot of things with the pilots, ground support team, with the engineers and catering team, your own crew members, and so many things go on behind making sure that a flight is safe and comfortable for the passengers. So please work on that. हाँ, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया जो एयरलाइन ने मेंशन किया है या तो आपकी हाइट या तो आपका 2 and 2 सेंटीमीटर रीच करना, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट एयरलाइन आर यू अप्लाइंग फॉर. प्लीज डू नॉट गो अहेड विद अ सेकेंड थॉट. एयरलाइन की एलिजिबिलिटी उनके ऑफिशियल पेजेस पे मेंशन होती है. एज, हाइट, scar tattoo, fluency with English, your presentation, everything is mentioned on the airline's official page. Please go ahead and refer to that. बहुत सारे एयरलाइंस जो है पॉलिसीज चेंज करते रहते हैं और बहुत सारे एयरलाइंस जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदलते रहते हैं. तो मतलब हर चीज़ डिफरेंट होती है. एयरक्राफ्ट टाइप अलग होता है, आपकी कंट्री अलग होती है, लॉ ऑफ द लैंड अलग होता है. तो उन सब चीज़ों को मिला के ना पॉलिसीज बदल जाती है. तो अब एक एयरलाइन में आपने इंटरव्यू दिया है, दूसरी एयरलाइन के लिए आप जा रहे हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दोनों का सेम होगा. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ हाई चांसेस कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंट होगी. नाउ ग्रुप डिस्कशंस और वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपको पता है राउंड्स क्या होते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट्स वेरी मच सिमिलर. कुछ स्पेशल आपको जानना है तो गो ahead and write to me in comment section below and I'll see how I can answer to that. Maybe I'll get back to you over there or maybe I'll make a video out of it. I know a lot of I'll receive a lot of messages on Instagram. Sometimes I'm not able to get back. Please go ahead and watch all of my videos because उसमें मैंने most of the things cover की हुई है और latest चीज़ें मैं आपके लिए लाती रहूँगी. So go ahead and subscribe guys because you're going to get the latest information all the time. And coming back to this, ये सारी मेहनत करने के बाद is it worth becoming a cabin crew? I would say 9 to 5 का जॉब होता है, बहुत सारे अलग अलग जॉब्स होते हैं and it depends on your interest. अगर आपको ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं पसंद है, you don't like meeting a lot of people and you maybe you're not that social person. Is it still okay? Yes, it is okay. It is still okay because it's a very professional job. यहाँ पे ज़रूरी नहीं है आप हर किसी को दोस्त बनाओ. But everyone, internal or external, become your customers or your colleagues. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप ये चीज़ समझो कि आप कहीं पे भी जॉब करोगे या तो आप कहीं पे भी इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग यू स्टिल नीड टू मेंटेन दैट प्रोफेशनलिज्म. सो यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज़ होती है. हाँ, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा बात करना और ज़्यादा travel related चीज़ें होती है. You travel a lot, but as you can see, I am well taken care of and I really like my job. That way it keeps me occupied, it gives me that kick I like in life because I love meeting new people and I really love exploring places. So it helps me stay updated with the world and it works a lot of things for me. So I am quite happy with it. But if it doesn't suit you, go ahead and make your own notes and go ahead and see if it's working for you or not. So cabin crew job, yes, you get to travel, you get to meet new people, but with that comes a pro as well. Why? Because suppose अगर आपकी किसी के साथ बन रही है, अच्छी बात है, नहीं बन रही है कल या परसों या 3-4 दिन के बाद आप उसकी शक्ल नहीं देखोगे, आप जाके किसी और सेट ऑफ क्रू के साथ फ्लाई करोगे. आपकी किसी के साथ बन रही है तो साथ में बिडिंग कर सकते हो. हालांकि 50-50 चांसेस होता है कि आपको वो फ्लाइट मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी, बट ऑफकोर्स यू हैव फ्रेंड्स, यू नो, आप उनको ऑफ डेज पे मिल सकते हो. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट the hard work that you're putting in for, yes, you really get to see the world. Like, people pay to travel, you get paid to travel, so it is definitely worth. You stay updated, you want to stay fit because you see new people, new energies every day. You feel like, you know what, I really want to push myself up and all. Also at the same time you get trained with life skills, like you get trained on first aid, firefighting, communication, professionalism, catering skills, and so many other things that are life skills which stay with you for a lifetime. And जितना घूमोगे उतनी stories बनेगी and you'll have a lot to talk to your grandchildren as well. So this is worth or not worth, आप डिसाइड करो. क्योंकि just imagine if you're deciding a career, that means आप उतने तो mature हो कि आपको समझ में आया कि आपके लिए क्या वर्कआउट करेगा और क्या नहीं करेगा. जस्ट अगर आप किसी की बातें सुन के कोई चीज़ कर रहे हो तो वो मतलब नहीं होता है. Because it's just like you're trying it. If it works, it was your choice. If it's trying and it doesn't work, you blame someone else. Don't do that with your life because time is very, very, very priceless and precious. Go ahead and just give yourself that time. अपने notes बनाओ कि हाँ ये job का क्या है या ये career का क्या है, ये profession की क्या pros and cons है. उसके बाद जाके वो पूरा सारांश निकाल के आप बैठो, summarize it and go ahead and make a decision. Take a decision for yourself. Give yourself a little bit of buffer time and see if it works for you. Alright? वैसे भी अगर आप अपने प्रेजेंटेशन पे काम कर रहे हो, पर्सनैलिटी पे काम कर रहे हो, कम्युनिकेशन पे काम कर रहे हो, वो वैसे भी ज़ाया नहीं जाने वाला है. That is going to help you in life. So whatever you are working to become a cabin crew, working on yourself to become a cabin crew, those are life skills. Those are not rocket science that you're working. कि हाँ मैंने रॉकेट बनाना सीखा है तो मुझे अब रॉकेट नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा. नहीं, you're learning communication, you're learning how to talk to people, how to handle emergencies and situations and all. So is it worth it? For me, yes. You comment down and tell me, is it worth for you to become a cabin crew? I can understand we can differ in opinions, and it is just an opinion. Just an opinion. You don't have to agree to what I say. I don't have to agree to what you feel, and it's absolutely okay. But it's a matter of career, and it is important to take different opinions to get down to one point if it's going to work for you or if it's not going to work for you. So all you people who really want to become a cabin crew, comment down below, let me know your questions and I will come up with an answer. So decide for yourself, hit the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, share it with everyone you know are confused. Write your questions in the comment section below and just love yourself. Give yourself that time, write down your goals, and let me know. Make sure that you take good decisions for yourself. All the best in whatever career you are going forward. All the best for whatever you're going to plan for your life. just make sure you stand by it. And if you feel like, it's not working, don't give it too much of time. Just change it. Just change it. Go ahead and try something that you feel might work out. Miracles do happen, right? So go ahead and plan it. Pin your goals down. Until I see you guys next time, follow me on Instagram at Angel McQuan. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye. I am going off to sleep because I had a long layover. Still I'm making, I had a pull out and a long sleepless hours. Still I'm making this video for you. So my bed's calling. So I'm going off to sleep now until I see you guys next time. Until then, bye, all the best, and God bless you.